So I give you the equation. What's the height of the baseball 1 seconds after it's thrown? That's just plug in 1.7 for t. That's just what is s of 1.7. So that's negative 16 times 1.7 squared plus 112 times 1.7 plus 4. And I'm sorry, at that point, that's just a calculator problem. Let's plug it in your calculator and hit enter. And I'm going to go out on a limb, and I'm going to say the answer is 148.16.
Huh?
Right, when you work this out in your head, you get 148.16, right?
Yeah.
I would like somebody to verify that for me, though. It is, Selena, well done. Okay. So, part B. To the nearest hundredth of a second, how long does it take the baseball to hit the ground? So this is me, I'm throwing the baseball up. How long is it in the air before it comes back down? Okay, and it lands on the ground. Well, the trick here is, what am I plugging in where? Once it's hit the ground, what's the height of that baseball?
0.
That's 0. So that's me plugging in 0 for the height of the ball. So that's 0 equals negative 16 t squared plus 112 t plus 4.
Excuse me.
You're welcome. So how do I work that problem? That's quadratic formula. Unless you want to factor out a GCF.
Like 4.
Yeah, 4 or even negative 4 if you wanted to get positive t squareds. Okay? So if I plug out, if I factored out a negative 4, I can do some of this in my head. That's about it. No, 25 plus 3, 27. And I can divide out that negative 4. At that point, I still do quadratic formula. I'm going to say with 98% certainty that that doesn't factor. So, and I'm definitely not doing like completely square on that, right? Okay. So t equals positive 27 plus or minus square root of negative 27 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 1 over 2 times 4.
It's 28.
Dang it! Try doing it in my head. It is supposed to be 28. 25 plus 3 is 28, isn't it? Well, it's a good thing I'm not taking this test.
Student 17.
Well, if I was taking the test, I'd actually use my calculator. But I didn't bring it with me, so.